Okay, in this video I am going to look at the touch feature called Peek and Pop, whereby you can basically preview something within an app, that is to say, take a peep, before then popping into that app if you want to do so. And I'm going to demonstrate exactly what I mean from within the Messages app. So straight away I can see that I have a new message from my wife, but instead of on the message to read the thread, I am able to push firmly on the 3D touch and have a peek at what the thread is all about. As you can see, it is about the possibility of going to the cinema, and as well as peeking at the thread, I can also further interact by swiping up. And then I'm able to mark the thread as read, or I can send pre-written replies, such as thank you, thanks, or bye. So I shall click on OK, and as you can see, it is added to the message thread. Now if I go back into peek mode once again, by pressing firmly on the message, I might decide, having read this portion of the thread, that I want to actually go into the thread proper. Do that by pushing again, or popping into the message thread, hence the term peek and pop. Now I'm able to carry on messaging within this thread. Now if we go into the Mail app, I will show you some extra features of peek and pop that are exclusive to Mail. First of all, let's have a peek at the top email here. And if I swipe while I'm peeking, there are various ways that I can interact with this email. I can reply to the email, forward the email, mark the email, set up an alarm notification when someone replies to the email, also move the email to a different folder. If I choose not to interact with the email, I can tap on the body like so, turn to the inbox once more. If I peek at an email and decide that I would like to read more, I can of course push again to pop into the email itself, in the same way as within Messages. And then I can press on the left hand side of the screen and swipe quickly from left to right to return to the inbox once more. One thing that is unique to Mail is that when I'm peeking at an email, I'm able to slowly swipe to the right to mark the email as unread, or to the left to delete email. Now I'm not going to delete this email, so I shall swipe all the way to the right, and that has now marked this email as unread, as you can see in the inbox. Okay, so that is how the 3D touch gesture, peek and pop, works, as shown in Messages and in Mail.